Had to make sure no one is walking by. Good morning and welcome. My name is Courtney and we are about to get into my front yard display finally for Halloween. Now that it's November, I think it's the perfect time to put this video out, don't you? Anyway, all joking aside, I was going to do this intro inside and I thought, what are you doing? You've got this gorgeous backdrop right here. Can you see this tree? Absolutely stunning. I am going to show you the nighttime, and right now I guess I'll just take you around the how it looks in the daylight, which this is, like I said, after Halloween. Things are a little crazy, a little lights are dim, things have fallen, so on and so forth. I hope you enjoy. If you feel so inclined, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you like, what you might have done differently. Let's get on with the show. All right, the lighting is not the best because it's finally raining. This is the fence. I just did minimal cobwebs. I just threw some creepy cloth, these skull and crossbones. I have the cemetery. Oh, these are torches. I have 2 here up front and then 2 back there. Look at this tree. Is this tree not stunningly gorgeous? Ah, I'm in love. I'm in love. I have these big rocks that I really didn't do much with this year. Last year I did a bunch of cobwebs. Enter if you dare. Little peek through the trees. These didn't fare too well, obviously. I think when I redo these for next year, I'm going to sand down the pumpkins, do a light sanding, and then paint. But I like the look. I will add lights. And then we come in, don't mind my tripod. So we walk in and we see all of this. That's the entrance to the cemetery. And then I was having to do something with the shovel and I was gonna move it, but I thought, no, I'm just gonna keep it there, it looks good. Oh, my tree fell over. So basically this part right here, up until the cemetery, is where like my old lady lives. This is her yard. Things are junky, just, you know, trashy. It wasn't supposed to look pristine like you see on all of the videos that everybody else does. And I just did some real pumpkins, some jack-o'-lanterns. I just actually put this guy here and was going to do something with him, and I never did. But I like him there, and I got lots of compliments. I got these last minute. I thought there was like 2 in each, but there was only 1, so it wasn't as good a deal as I thought it was. There's the front area. And then I did all of these pumpkins, which actually these are kind of faring a lot better than the other ones. A little bit coming off right there, but not too bad, not too bad. Oh, my little bat came off of my cemetery. I made this cemetery sign. I got this archway from Temu. I had the lights, and then you just walk through here. I got this angel at some beach area for my parents' anniversary. I went to Ross and they had that, and I thought it would be perfect. And then we just have a little cemetery in here with my trees. I made these boards last minute. I didn't get enough stuff, so it's kind of janky, but you know how I do janky. And then the oh, my tree's dead. Okay. And then the cemetery. Kind of made it look a little bit realistic because, well, now it's not. But these were down far enough to where you couldn't see the wire sticking out, and then it just had, you know, the rocks. Let me get you a little closer. Like, see the rocks. Last year I dug up actual, like as if someone had just been buried. This whole yard was a cemetery last year. But yeah, that's about it. This chandelier was hanging, but it fell. And I had to borrow a ladder from my neighbor, and I didn't feel like doing that again. And I only put cobwebs on the one chair, and I didn't do the other, and I didn't do the table. Lots of things that I didn't get to, but you know, that's the way of it. That is the way of it. So yeah, there we are. I wanted to show this guy. I made him last minute. I love it. You know, it's not the best. And then I just put those things, I got these from Dollar Tree. I just put it on the inside, taped it in there. And he is standing on a dolly. So it's not the best because, as you can see, like some of this stuff didn't do right. But for what it's supposed to be, which is just like kind of like a creepy, I don't know, creepy person. A creepy reaper. But yeah, I wanted to show you that. Also wanted to give you a better close-up of this stuff. I did all of this last year for my Home of a Serial Killer theme that I did last year. I did those baby dolls in 2019. Nobody really likes those. I love them. I think they are creepy and they serve a purpose.